Hey, it's Ashley coming back to you for the second week of the Degree Girl Ultimate OMG contest. The entries are pouring in, but it's not too late for you to enter your own. Remember, all 7 weekly winners will score a trip to hang out with me in Hollywood. It'll be so much fun, I cannot wait. So whether your OMG moment is happy, surprising, embarrassing, or whatever, we want to hear about it. Because you can't win unless you share. So get your entry in right now by clicking on the laptop you see in the room. If you're not ready to enter your own, be sure to check out the gallery where you can see some of the moments that the other girls have already submitted. So now I want to share another one of my OMG moments. Alright, so I just got back from New Zealand. I was shooting a movie out there, and it was so hard because my little puppy, Maui, she's not a bull, she's 8 months, but it was the first time being away from her since I've gotten her, and I couldn't take her to New Zealand because they get quarantined out there, and I didn't want to have, her go through that whole thing. So the entire time I was just so worried that she was like not going to remember me, and she was going to be like attached to my dad or like something, I was just like, she's not going to remember me, and I missed her so much. And the moment I got home, I like got off the plane, I got in the car, I got to my house, and the first thing, she was so excited to see me, and just to see her face again was so much fun. It was definitely an OMG moment, an excited OMG moment. And she was just looking at me so much, and she remembered me, so I was so happy. I was so happy she wasn't attached to my dad. No, just joking. So, anyway, you never know when an OMG moment's gonna happen. So think about all of yours and enter them in the contest. Again, click on the laptop to enter and come back each week and watch my vlogs, because I'll be sharing entry updates and announcing winners starting April 21st. And while you're here, check out the rest of the site. Explore the loft. Check out some of the video and just hang out. I can't wait to read about your OMG moments. I really can't. Good luck, and I hope all your OMG moments are a happy one.